Welcome to our how-to series, making the most of supplier profiles. Go to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on Supplier Profiles. You'll now be presented with every single supplier profile on Sourcing Machine. From here you can search for a supplier profile. Once you've found the supplier you want, click on their name and the full supplier profile will appear. On the profile you'll find their company image, company description, contact details, any kind of associations they're members of, and you'll also be able to download any marketing collateral they have like e-flyers. You'll also find links to unbranded e-catalogs that you can send to your own customers too. And many also have their own video trade shows. Click on these and then click play. You'll also find all these videos featured in the virtual exhibition on our site. On the left hand side you'll also find a link to their product catalogue, which is a full range of products that they feature on Sourcing Machine for you. And finally, you can request a Zoom meeting directly with the supplier. Or you can send an email message to them. Thank you for watching.